Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chrome your wheels. First, gather all your materials, including chrome spray paint, primer, and a clear coat. Next, thoroughly clean your wheels, ensuring all dirt, grease, and brake dust are completely removed. This crucial step prepares the surface for optimal adhesion. Finally, carefully mask off your tires and any other areas you wish to protect from the paint. Now it is time to prime your wheels for that perfect chrome finish. Apply a high-quality automotive primer in several light, even coats, allowing each layer to dry completely. This ensures a smooth, uniform base for the chrome. After drying, lightly sand the primed surface with fine grit sandpaper, such as 400 or 600 grit, to promote excellent adhesion for the next layers. With your wheels primed, you are ready for the exciting part, applying the chrome. Apply several thin, even coats of chrome spray paint, holding the can about 6 to 8 inches from the wheel. This technique prevents drips and ensures a consistent, mirror-like finish. Remember to allow adequate drying time, typically 15 to 20 minutes, between each application for optimal results. To ensure your new chrome finish lasts, it is essential to apply a durable clear coat. This protective layer shields your wheels from road debris, UV rays, and general wear and tear. Follow the clear coat manufacturer's instructions carefully for optimal adhesion and a brilliant, long-lasting shine. Finally, allow the clear coat to cure fully, usually 24 to 48 hours, before reinstalling your wheels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.